Factory radio to aftermarket antenna connector. For select 1988 to 2005 Audi, BMW, Mercedes VW vehicles. Fits into factory plug. Package weight 1.0 pounds. Factory radio to aftermarket antenna connector for select 1988 to 2005 Audi, BMW, Mercedes VW vehicles. Top reviews from the United States. Fits the CTS 2003 to 2007 stock radios. Even though I have a GM vehicle, 2003 Cadillac CTS, the stock radio unit is manufactured in Germany and this adapter did the trick. There was a little bit of metal exposed after plugging in the aftermarket antenna, so I wrapped the exposed metal in electrical tape and there's no white noise. Perfect fit, works as described. 5 stars. Fits my Cadillac perfectly.